Dear traders, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the MK block summary of the previous trading week. Today is the 3rd of March. Markets will open in less than 3 hours. To say it straight away, last week was quite amazing. We got setups left and right, many trade opportunities. So very strong week, but let's go through it. Let's start with euro dollar, one of my favorite trades of the week straight away. I know it was late at night, 2 o'clock, but on the 28th I saw the MTS below the price. There are short-term stops along the way, so we know the price will go down. Easy short trade, some longies coming in, shorties leaving the market, everything we need, boom, and that comes, okay? One of the most beautiful trades straight away, easy short trade. I know it was late at night for us in Europe, but as you can see, it emerged into a 4-hour reversal down. So long is coming in trying to buy the dip. So the smart money does a 4-hour reversal down in euro dollar against those longies and goes all the way down. Okay. Then we had the US news. So look, I drew in this box. That's always a good practice. You see the upper target is this MTS. The lower target is this MTS. So we know on both sides what the targets are. In this case, we don't have either longies or shorties dominating. We have short-term stops on both sides as well. So it was a news move. We don't trade that as such. And as you can see, the US news was worse for the dollar. So the smart money used that dollar weakness to take the upper MTS after the news. Okay, beautiful long trade there. So pretty cool there straight away. But it continues, okay? So 29th, first the price of euro dollar was a bit stuck between the long is above the price, the short is below the price. That's when the price goes flat. And take note of how the MTS have been taken before. Then the price went down. And now we have the following situation on the first. Okay, we have the US news being published. And actually the price went and did the house clean as expected. Not much tradability there. Pound dollar. So on the 28th, 4 reversal down, similar to euro dollar. Okay, going down against the longies. Similar situation with a pullback in an MTS above the price. You see those pairs sometimes are very similar, of course. So you could have traded also the long trade there in pound dollar. I did it as well. Look at that, took the target and exactly that turned in the opposite direction, as we've seen many times. It's the precision of the market causality. Euro pound, so took the lower MTS, then took the option strike target. Nice trade there, took the upper MTS. So also you could have caught some nice euro pound trades. I didn't focus much on euro pound this week because the other pairs had so many opportunities. But yeah, some beautiful moves there. As you can see, everything makes a lot of sense as always. Okay, now the big one, Australian dollar. So first it took the upper MTS, okay. Then we still have an MTS above the price. And here I did a long trade. It took 2-3 days. Sometimes it happens. Okay, let's go a bit into detail here. So the price goes down. We have 2 MTS above the price, okay, and the old one above the price. And we also have US news approaching as well. Okay, but to make a long story short, so as you can see on the 29th, here in the hour chart, the MTS above the price, and on the 30-minute chart, the 3 MTS. Some short is coming in. So what happens then? At some point, finally, the longies leave the market. Okay, bam, you see? The green squeeze line collapses. The price takes the lower STS. So at that point, there was a chance to buy Australian dollar towards the upper target. But it took a while, okay? So the price went up 3 times, but then didn't follow through. So let's go through this. Okay, here I was already long, so I thought, come on, it will just take the target. But as you will see, the price actually lost momentum just before it went down again. Boom, took the lower STS. And then later on, found its momentum again and went up again the next day. Okay, let's go through that. So went quite flat, and then finally you see we have the fall reversal energy. Long is leaving the market, some short is coming in. So we have the golden combination, upper targets on lower time frames. So once the last news were out of the way, we had this situation. So finally here it was clear, okay, now it can go up and go for the target, which it then did. Why did the screenshots get so small here? Boom. Look at that, okay? Bam, the price went all the way up, okay? As expected, I took my profit there before market close. Sometimes trades can take 2-3 days. Kiwi did a similar thing. It was the same constellation. However, at the beginning, Kiwi first filled the option strike targets short on the 28th. So that was an old trade set up from the previous week. Boom. Filled the target, and then also later on went up. I didn't trade Kiwi because Aussie was kind of the better choice here. Alright, dollar cut. So at MTS also took those out. Boom. Here on the 27th. Then went up against the dumb money shorties. We see the red bars coming in. And the smart money clearing the high in dollar cut. Dollar yen also very interesting. So we had the MTS there in the market. We also had LTS above the price. But to make a long story short, so they cleared the high, then went down against the longies. And there's a bit of a dumb money switch going on, as you can see. Okay, the longies coming in, the green bars, while the shorties left the market. And that led the other yen pairs also to make a normalization move. We see here pound yen, okay, the option strike target on the 28th. Nice down move there. Also trade set up, boom. Okay, one of the best trades as well. Nice short trade towards the target, not difficult at all. And then later on, this was one of the best trades as well. 2 long option strike targets, okay, as I wrote at midnight as 2 M30 option strike targets. So buy trade towards the upper targets, really easy. Boom, the price comes straight and takes those targets. Beautiful profits there. Come on, can't get easier. Euro yen, option strike target short, similar to pound yen, also filled that. Then at an MTS, also filled that. Upper MTS gets taken, and quite some aggressive moves then. Boom, takes the original MTS, goes all the way down. Then there's an aggressive pullback towards the upper MTS at the end of the week, okay? Boom, takes that and goes all the way down to the next MTS. So some beautiful trades here. Also took some trades in Euro Yen. Goes exactly to the target, does a pullback up and takes the upper one. Boom, look at that. So amazing week. A lot of trade opportunities, okay? You could almost not get a break there. Look, Euro Aussie, option strike target short, boom, this gets taken nicely. Okay, nice pips there to collect. So you see a really good week, really easy. Pound Aussie, all markets do what they're supposed to do, just taking the targets. You literally just had to wait for the right ones and do your pick, okay? Like here, Pound Aussie, option strike target, boom, short, you take those pips, you leave, okay? This is a dream of any trader, okay? Weeks like that where you can just shoot and collect pips left and right. As simple as that, okay? Gold, I didn't trade the metal so much, so you see like gold went down and then went up again against the shorties, and at the end of the week completely killed the shorties there, which makes sense when you consider that Australian dollar also at the upper targets. They both went up in tandem, as I like to do. Australian dollar tends to be correlated to gold. So here gold does quite an aggressive move, boom, as you can see here at the end of the week. Silver went down against the longies as expected, okay, killed all the dumb money buyers, then did a pullback. And of course, last but not least, Bitcoin, our long-term play, took the 60k level, boom, 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 went all the way up, okay, beyond the 60k level, 62,000, just beautiful. Nice long-term prediction. So yeah, very good week, very easy week, loads of opportunities, not many nasty moves. And despite we had all the US news, you could easily work around them. So hopefully you did well this week. Study all of this. This is very important. This is how this works. All the best.